Hello Harpreet, this is JB with Bill Estes Ford. This is the brand new F-150 that you had expressed some interest in online. It is here, it's beautiful. This is a loaded XLT. So you do have leather in this one. Of course, you got heated seats and everything. This one has a 360-degree camera package. As you can see, it's got the blackout package to it. Great looking truck all the way around. Does have the tailgate step on the back, backup sensors, backup camera. Of course, with the 360 camera, you get the all-around view. Looking all the way around, it's got the Chemsel camera up above the bed. Looking at your interior and everything, you can see the leather looks great. It's got the all-weather mats, has the power sliding rear window. This is a nice one. Of course, got the drop down shifter and everything. The giant screens in these now, push button start, you got remote start, all that good stuff. Of course, heated seats, B&O sound system. Love to have you come check it out in person. We'd love to get you a great deal. We do have the $8,000 off. I know you've made an offer. I think you're below where we can do. We don't have that kind of profit in our trucks, but come check it out. We'll see what we can make happen. Any questions, you can give me a call, 317-858-6925. Again, my name's JB. Appreciate the time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, Harpreet.